So this is the assisted chin-up machine, and you can also do dips on it as well. So you would kneel on top of this platform, and it would give some resistance. The more weight you choose on the weight stack, the more weight that's helping you lift. So I'll choose a weight and enter the pin. Step up here and hold on to the handles. Place my knees on the support and it will sink underneath my body weight. But because I have this amount of weight selected, that will be the amount of weight that assists me in lifting me to the top before lowering myself down and starting another rep. Once I've finished, I want to be at the top of the movement, return my feet to the stable place, hold myself down.